Welcome back to Fun Labs Design Studio. Alright, today we're gonna do something real quick, something real awesome. It's never been done. I haven't found another video like this yet. So run these numbers up. We're gonna do a shorts playlist, custom shorts playlist. Alright, so let's do this now. Alright, so what we're gonna do, you can see my shorts over here. Like my New York accent. I hope I nailed it for all you New Yorkers out there. My auntie used to be from there, so I thought I'd do it. I like kind of like always like saying Fun Labs Design Studio. Alright, forget about it, huh? But yeah. Anyway, welcome back. I appreciate you viewing. This one hasn't been done. I don't believe I was searching on how to do it, and these other people showed us weird way, and I was like, there's got to be a better way to do this, because I wanted to have my specific shorts that I just made. If you've seen them already, click here and I'll show you. I made a 3-part one, Sharpie shorts, 1, 2 of 3, and 3 of 3, right? So what I did though is I put it into a custom playlist. So, see, I even looked up on how to do a custom thumbnail with vidIQ, and it doesn't even, it's not even full custom yet, which I don't understand. YouTube's been around forever, kind of like lacking in the customizations department. I should be able to customize this part of it, like make it look like TV on the front of my page. Man, come on, YouTube, holler at me. Let's talk. See, I should be able to make this look like whatever I want in here and all that, just like a normal website. Like Discord even does it. Like, come on, guys. Get with the program over here. Alright? Holler at me and I'll help you out with that. I know some HTML, some CSS. Let's do some business. But anyway, so we go to playlist. See, as you'll see here, I made one, the frame by frame, just the one in there so far, and then I made the one that I was just talking about, Sharpie shorts, 3 of 3. So what you'll do is you click play all. Look at this, bada boom, bada bing, what a wonderful thing. It starts number 1 of 3. My whispering was like 5 in the morning, so it was unintentional ASMR. I was just trying to keep it down, but I thought I might as well put on some ASMR. These people like this stuff. Some of these people be liking this stuff, you know what I mean? Then it goes right to the 2. See, skipped over there, and now it goes right to the 2. And then we go over here, right like that. Scroll it down. And then booyah, we had 3 of 3, baby. And then we come down over here. We go near the end. Booyah. And then look, see? The playlist is done. It doesn't keep playing all your malarkey. There's my boy Adam. Go check him out. Woo woo. Check out my other videos over here and some good music from Jasper Acoustic. Yeah, man, you know what it's all about. Anyway, let's go back to my home. Over here. Back to my homeland. Down here. So what we did is, you see, it was custom playlist. Normally they'd just be in the shorts, so I can either click customize channel, or we can go over here and we can go to YouTube Studio, baby. Studio. We all up in the studio over here, Fun Labs Design Studio, huh? Wise guys over here, huh? So yeah, I'm fairly new to this YouTube journey, but hey, stick with me. Hopefully we'll grow. I appreciate it. So right now, that video's up there like that. We go up. I only started this like a year, and I only got like 20 videos. So here we are, right? We're in the dashboard. So what we're going to do is we go to our content. Click on the content, and you're going to see. So these are the 3 that I put in the playlist. So we're going to click the playlist, and you'll see that now they're in custom playlists, right? It's like, cool, man. That's awesome. I mean, beep. Sorry, I better bleep that one out. And yeah, so there we go. That's freaking awesome. Forget about it. So then we have all those. But then when you go down to the main home page, or you go down to customize, sorry, if you go to customize, so you go down to customize, and you'll see right here, it'll just show in shorts videos all in this one. And you could click, these other guys tried to show, where you click add, and then you click the shorts, and it will create like a shorts one. But look, see, these are my created playlists. So how did I do that? How did Fun Labs Design? How did Nate do that at Fun Labs Design Studio? Eh? How the heck? Yo, Vinny, what did he do over here? Let's find out, okay? So, bada boom, bada bing. Let's do this thing. We go like this. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna go over to content. Alright? This is the sneaky-fied stuff. It's like espionage. So here, we're gonna make a playlist for this one right here. This is like background art, right? Say digital, my digital painting background art. We're gonna do it like that, okay? So we're gonna click the details, just a pencil little icon thingy, majingy. We come down here, and we're gonna scroll down like so. And then look, we're in the playlist section over here. So there we go, booyah. And look, I got my other ones that I created. So now we're gonna go down here, and we're gonna click the new playlist. Booyah, new playlist. And we're gonna add it. This one's gonna be, what are we gonna call this? First, let's make it all nice and spiffy. Let's put a little paint, a little bit of a paint job on it, or whatever you want to do. I kind of like putting the paint. Where's he at here? Where is he at? Sheesh. Gotta find these things. Gotta scour my eyes on as good as they used to be. I better get new glasses. Huh? Old man molasses. Better get new glasses. Alright, where we at? Tell me if you see it. Anybody see it? Anybody see it? Anybody see the paint? Where's the paint? Anyway, whatever we're gonna do, we'll put a paintbrush. Hey, there we go. We'll put a paintbrush. Very nice. Look how fancy it is. I'll fix it later. You can always edit this later, so it's very cool like that. So let's go background, scene. Oh, man, come on. Digital painting background scene, something like that. Whatever, right? Forget about it. So we got description. We all know what it is. It's a description of the background. Digital painted background from hand drawing blah blah blah. You can add all your stuff. You can add your hashtags and all that. You can do all that later. That's all your thing. You can go, yeah, you add your little hashtags. You go, you know, bada boom. We're gonna go, what are we gonna do? We're gonna go background art right here. We're gonna go, what are we gonna do? We're gonna add another one tag. We're gonna tag it up. We're gonna go digital painting. Is it a tutorial? Nah, it ain't a tutorial. It's just digital painting. Alright, leave it like that. Cool. So whatever, we go like that. Boom, done, right? You can add your little emojis, whatever you want to do. So now it's public server. You want it to be public. You can wait on it. If you don't want to, you can wait. But we're going to make it public just for fun, alright? It's no big deal. You can always change it. So now look, boom. Just popped up right there. All nice and pretty. We click done. And now we got to click no. Because otherwise it doesn't like commenting. Even though kids can watch my videos. Like, come on, yo. This Copa stuff. Give me a break over here. I don't swear I beeped it out for you. Not like these other guys. Like, come on, man. Forget about it. Then we come back here. We're going to go to now. Let's go to our channel. Let's go see. Let's go check it out. Let's go back to Fun Labs Design Studio. Which if you like this and you get some info from it and you're going to be doing this, I know you are. I know y'all are going to be running this up and copying and doing this stuff right after me because there's no other tut out there like that. So, show me some love. Run those numbers up. Give me some subs. Give me some likes for me doing it. Aight? Go to the playlist. Boom. Booyakasha. See now, it's right there. We just made it. Digital painting background scene. Bada boom, bada bing. Now it's with all my long form. It's all separate. It's nice. Apparently now vidIQ was talking. Robert's on there, and I watched the video, but and I don't understand why YouTube is like slacking with this customization stuff. You should be able to almost utilize this like a website. Add custom themes for it. You should be able to do all that. Button changes. I mean, come on, we can do all that in this day and age. It ain't that hard. Come on, yo. Give me a call. Hit me up. Go to my about section. Click my links. Support the channel. You can email me here. YouTube and Google, and I'll help you sort it out. We'll make some themes. Let's do a wonderful thing. Bada boom, bada beans. So then, Etsy merch store. Right? Support the channel. This is all funded by me. I greatly appreciate it. There's me right there. Made that too. I do photo. That's a photo I took of real clouds.
Oh, yeah.
By the way. And I added all this cool stuff in there, like, woo, funkydelic. So yeah, and I made these shirts for the Prey film I worked on. Boys, you might have seen that in the other video there. How to fill up my client briefs, super soft. It's directed garment. These shirts are made in Mexico. And booyah, printed here, right here. Canada, Western Canada. Be up here in Calgary. We're trying to hustle, trying to make money. So yeah, come support the channel so we can make a living doing what we love and make our dreams a reality. What a wonderful thing. Cool, huh? So yeah, I appreciate it. Head to the channel, hit that like, subscribe, check out my other links.
You were serious
and
about that?
Let's do this. Have a great day. Peace.